the world premiere of the Antonio D60. It is the largest outboard engine vessel on the market today. I have had the pleasure of testing quite a few Antonios, so let's go and check out what sets this one apart. One of my favorite design features of the Antonios is they feature these hidden outboards. And if you look closely, you can see those quad 600s. Let's take a quick little walk through. Like all Antonios, they're full walkarounds. So you got nice wide side decks, huge sun pad in the back, large C-shaped seating in the aft cockpit. As we walk by, you can see opposing seating on both sides. Has almost an apartment style feel inside. Love the dual side doors on both sides. And what a bow space. Couple of different seating areas. You got a sun pad, you got table for outdoor dining, substantial anchor. Wouldn't worry about going anywhere with that one. Look at that sunroof. Brings in so much natural light, and there's a hatch right here over the helm station. The visibility in here is great. I am nice and cool because I'm in an air-conditioned space, but if I want to open it up, I can. Let's go see what's down here. Look at this. Wow. Over here, a little galley down situation, so induction cooktop, sink, microwave oven. But I like that there's two entrances, so we can enter from the main area or from down below. Master cabin's back here. Its own ensuite, walk-in closet, walk-around bed.
The cabin is surprisingly spacious, comfortable enough for 2 adults and 2 kids to settle in for the night.
One of the things that kind of is standing out to me on the D60 versus all of the other Antonios I've been in is the black accents. So many boats and so many manufacturers now are going really crisp, clean, and white, but I like the striking difference between the white and the different textures. We got wood, we got, upholstery, and then that black. Talk about a great use of space. There's even a sunbed up here. And that's been my quick boat show walkthrough of the Antonio D60. Nicely done, Antonio.